Hello everybody. Today I'm going to make this little video to showcase the KD-1 pesticide powder and garden duster. This is it here. This is what it looks like when it's new. See, it has a writing there telling you that's the level to fill with powder. And this is what the inside looks like, the pickup hose. This is the wand that it comes with the two fittings on the end of it. These just pull right out, and you change them around whichever one you want to use. This is what yours is going to look like after you start using it. No more new. Too greedy. I'm not going to bother filling this all the way to the mark. That's enough for our purpose. If it works, get the company first. Okay, this is the 14-inch long flexible rubber hose. With this you can it's very usable. You can spray to the left, the right, up, down, whatever you need. It's a lot more functional than the other dusters that have solid metal tubes that can't bend. You know, this one will get into wherever the bugs are hiding. To connect the wand, I didn't do that in the last shot. The wand just slides on to the end. The hose just slides on to the end of the wand like so. And I'm going to use a right angle tip to apply some dust along the fence line. With this duster, the harder you squeeze it, the more dust it's going to come out. If you just squeeze it a little bit like so, it barely puffs out. You will remember find this a very easy duster to use. Hard squeeze. Soft squeeze. Barely any dust coming out. This right angle tip comes in very handy for dusting from the top go down on whatever plants you might have. Again, the harder you squeeze, the more or less dust. It's a little bit of a learning curve, but not very much. You can also dust from the underside of your plants upwards to get like below the leaves, like so. You can get around the plants. Yeah, with the wand connected, you have a little bit of extra reach, so you can dust quite high up. So you have less need for ladders, like so. The wand connected, you can also, using the 90-degree tip, you can also dust underneath deck areas. It'll be a little hard to do with some of the other dusters. And you don't have to bend over or squat down nearly as often, again because of the extra reach. Okay, I just want to show you guys real quick how to unclog this duster should it happen to clog up on you. First off, disconnect the wand from the hose. Unscrew the cap. Be a good idea to pull this little fitting out. And then hit the pickup hose against any hard object. You might want to stand back just a little bit. Like so. And the spray hose as well. That will disconnect any plug that might have been stuck inside of the duster. Put it back together. Cast it. And that's it. If the wand was stuck, all you'll have to do is hit the bottom of the wand against any hard object, and you see the dust comes pouring out of it. You can see the wand is now clear. And that's all there is to it. Nothing really. Okay. Notice how the hose plugs into the cap. That helps to keep the powder dry, until the next time you get around to using it. Okay, just a quick recap of the main points. The first one being the bottle is soft and easy to squeeze. To the women out there, ladies, you don't need big hands to operate this duster. Look at the 12-ounce soda can. I put it there as a scale reference. Second, with its big mouth, the KD-1 duster is easy to refill. Third, the 14-inch long or 35-centimeter flexible hose is long enough to get into tight places and go around corners and bends. Fourth, the KD-1 comes with two tips, the straight and the 90-degree. So you can treat many awkward to reach locations. Fifth, using the 17-inch long or 43-centimeter long wand lessens the need for ladders or excessive bending and squatting. With the wand you can reach higher up and or lower down as the case might be, so it's less stressful on your back and on your knees. That 17-inch wand also gives you a little extra safety distance between you and whatever you're applying dust to. The sixth and last reason, the all rubber and plastic design makes this duster safer to use around electrical outlets. The KD-1 pesticide and garden duster will work from the house to the garden and everything in between. Remember to always keep your duster in a safe and secure location, away from children and pets. Always follow the pesticide manufacturer's handling, use, storage, and disposal instructions. Well, that about covers the KD-1 pesticide and garden duster. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.